Hello friends,
Hello, namaste. मेरा नाम इरीना
and my name is Amir.
and welcome to our vlog.
Life with a Russian wife. So friend, जैसे कि आप मुझसे पूछ रहे थे भाई आमिर भाई कहाँ से हो आप? Which place you are from? Where you live? What is your address?
So of course, I will tell you first of all about me. I am from Russia, from pure Russia, but not from the capital. I am not from Moscow, from the city which is called Orenburg. And my darling is purely Hindustani ladka,
Desi
desi
ladka.
ladka, like a desi ghee, so buttery. And of course, he is also not originally from Delhi. He is from Agra. You can check above the videos. It is the journey to Agra. Very nice.
Yeah.
So we are from two different countries, from very far away cities, but we found each other. And where we live right now, why we live here right now, we will tell you all about it as you ask so many times those questions.
So before I will treat her with tasty food which she will not reject.
Oh, I am excited what it can be.
Definitely it will be a secret.
And then we will tell you why we made such a decision to stay in this particular place, to stay in this particular country. And I hope you will find out your answers to your questions. So show me where we are going.
So let's
Okay?
go then. Let's go.
Let's go. I'm ready, you see.
सो फाइनली हमने डिसाइड करा दिल्ली हाट क्योंकि दिल्ली हाट में साउथ दिल्ली के वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मोमोज अवेलेबल हैं और जो कि अवेलेबल है नागालैंड कैफ़े में और
And I hope we will enjoy it. Oh, because I love momos so much, friends. You do not know. I'm ready to eat them every single day.
सो लेट्स गो
Let's go.
सो हम दिल्ली हाट में हैं जो बेसिकली हैंडी क्राफ्ट मार्केट है दिल्ली का। तो यहाँ पे इंडिया के सारे हैंडी क्राफ्ट्स अवेलेबल हैं डिफरेंट स्टेट से। सो ये दिल्ली हाट के रेस्टोरेंट एरियाज एंड फाइनली वी केम नागालैंड।
Yeah. See, friends, there is one more Nagaland over there, but we haven't eaten there, so we prefer this particular place because there are so many points. It's very nice ambience, very tasty
Ambience
food, so
very
we will eat
tasty.
here only.
या
All right, so let's eat.
That 10 number table you can sit there, please.
सो नागालैंड स्टॉल में यहाँ का एम्बियंस बड़ा अच्छा है। सो आप देख सकते हैं वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एम्बियंस एंड आप यहाँ पे आके आराम से खाना खा सकते हैं फैमिली के साथ। वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। सो फाइनली हम यहाँ नागालैंड कैफ़े में बैठे हैं और देखिए कितना अच्छा एम्बियंस है और यहाँ का मेन्यू काफ़ी वैरायटी है और इट्स नॉट दैट एक्सपेंसिव। अगर हम नॉर्मल मोमोज़ की बात करें सो हमने वेज स्टीम मोमोज़ ऑर्डर करे हैं एंड द प्राइस इज़ 149। cheap but the quantity is big and momos are very big size. And what else we decided to eat crispy chili potato, right? So we will
Chili
eat,
honey potatoes.
yeah, we will eat honey chili potato और then देखते हैं आगे क्या लेना है। Depends on how much hungry I am feeling right now, right?
So let's check the menu.
Yeah, let's check the menu. So prices are not expensive, almost near to 200 rupees और बहुत सारी वैरायटी है। द बेस्ट थिंग इज़ दैट पोर्शंस आर वेरी बिग एंड टेस्ट इज़ वेरी अमेजिंग।
Yes, and plus you can get both veg and non-veg options, whatever you feel like. So you will not regret if you will eat here.
सो ऑर्डर आने में कम से कम 15 से 20 मिनट लगेंगे और बाय द टाइम
We are going to reveal the biggest secret of the century, and the secret is where do we live? Do we live in Russia or we live in India? So can you guess? We live
डेफिनेटली इन इंडिया।
and we live in Delhi.
Yeah.
So by even our places which we visit quite often, you can judge and you can guess that our place of living is Delhi.
Delhi.
At least for now.
Yep. And many subscribers they already guessed out we live in Delhi in India.
Right.
But many subscribers are also asking why you chose to live in India, why not Russia?
India is not giving some benefits, profits to you. Why do not move to Russia, which provides you so many like mind-blowing benefits? So why do we live here? Because you know all these benefits is just visual when you live in different country. We have a Russian language saying everywhere is good to live where you are not living. Or везде хорошо, где нас нет. What does it mean? If we live in India, we think, oh, it's good to live in Russia, it's good to live in Canada or America. But in reality, each and every place has their own benefits and demerits of living. And we also found some pluses of living in India, right?
Yeah.
Of course, friends, in the era of technologies and online work, we do everything online, we live online. Everything can change in the matter of half year or two. But for now, why do we live in India? So, India हम आजकल क्यों रखते हैं?
Because अभी अगर मैं रशिया जाऊंगा so I cannot work there. I do not have work visa.
No work visa, no work permit, or even no PR, which is really mandatory if you want to work in Russia, if you want to do legal work.
So if you go to Russia after marriage, you have to live there for at least 2 years in order to get this.
To apply for PR.
Yeah.
After you will get the PR, it can take 1 year more. Then only you can get the PR and freely work there. If you get the job of your dream.
But what I will do during these 2 years? Nothing. I have to sit in the house like a housewife.
Can you imagine my house as a housewife?
I have to do pocha, I have to do cleaning, utensils, everything. So I do not want to do all this thing right now. I'm happy here. I have my job, so
Right.
we are
So,
doing fine.
of course, if you already have your job settled, then do not be in hurry to change it into something mysterious like moving to another country where you do not know what will be your salary, what you will be living on. At least you need to get your bread and butter on the daily basis, right?
Yeah. One more point is that in Russia, the weather is almost cold. Like we have few months of summers there in Russia.
Let's say from November right now, my sister keeps on sending me photographs when it's already snowing. Although I'm not from Moscow, friends, I'm from Orenburg, which is 2 hours by flight from Moscow. So right now it's already cold there. So count November, December, January, February, including March, whole 5 months. It is snowing. It's, let's say, on an average temperature, it's from -10 to -25. It can be colder, it can be little warmer, but you have to wear. We are wearing already jackets right now in Delhi, but there you have to wear every time very warm clothes. But you cannot just buy one jacket for 5 to 10,000 cost. You have to keep jackets, coats, different style, different design in order to walk outside. Plus, you have to buy very warm boots, and again you cannot just manage with one boots. Boots are too costly there, especially winter ones which are with fur inside. So clothing will be quite costly.
Very
so
costly.
and plus to see all the time only grey weather outside. Of course there are sunny days also in winters, but to live only in the cold weather, to be honest, I love sunny days so much, and in India just for few months to tolerate, okay. But India is sunny country. That's why this is my point. I prefer to live in India because of the weather condition. Though sometimes I miss snow too.
No, definitely India mein different weather you can find. In Russia is like cold. I do not prefer to live in a cold country seriously, where I have to wear always jacket, cover my face. India is perfect. in terms
Because
of weather.
apart of just wearing jacket, wear warm hat and even cover your nose and mouth with a muffler whenever it's minus temperature.
Yeah. And one more point is that अगर आप रशिया जाते हो, so you can find good job only in Moscow, where is highly paid as compared to neighboring cities.
If let's say your wife is from different city, does not mean that you will be or she will be ready to migrate to Moscow. So if she lives in different city, no one guarantees that you will get proper paid, well paid job in that particular city or town. So that is also a big point.
So अगर आप रशिया में बिजनेस करना चाहते हैं, so it's not that simple like you can do it in India.
No, because sometimes people are telling, oh, I will go to Russia, I will start up my business there and I will be happy. I will be supplying jewelries there, I will be supplying spices or whatever, and I will be a rich person. Yes, you can be if you have $1 million of, let's say, rupees behind your back. So then you can start without any worries. Or if you have some powerful or wealthy friends who can help you in settling your business over there, because without contacts it's really difficult to start business in Russia. And one more, there is a lot of bureaucracy and you do not know how many months or years it can take to start your business over there. So money, contacts and paperwork plays a lot of role, which is very easy to make in India, where you already live and you know your friends, people who are around you who can help you to set up your business, and here you can start even from the small sum of money. So before going there, think thousands of times whether to start up your business there or here. Like if we are planning to have our business, let it be chota mota, but it will be in India. I don't think that it can work for us in Russia.
And last but not the least is the food. फूड भाई हम इंडियंस के लिए आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज वी डोंट ओनली कुक इन द हाउस, वी लाइक टू गो आउटसाइड एंड ईट.
Especially for chaat stuff, like
Yeah.
chaats, golgappes, and all these things, which not available in
available.
Russia.
Moscow में you can find some Indian restaurant, but apart from Moscow you will not find any Indian
No,
restaurant.
maybe there will be
Maybe
one,
there are.
two, but you cannot find it everywhere. And yes, cost-wise, it will be like a proper hi-fi dining. It will not be like here 50 rupees golgappe you will eat. So if you are not a chef, then you have to think how you're going to eat your favorite stuff, which you can find here every day. Like for me, I love all types of food, and as we are cooking at home, also all varieties of food, no problem. And plus, here European food is available everywhere in all types of restaurants. But in Russia, Indian food is a little bit difficult issue. So you have to think, right?
Think. So finally हमारा ऑर्डर आ चुका है and let us show you what we have ordered. ये है नागालैंड के फेमस वेज मोमोज और देखिए
It comes with soup.
Yep, soup is clear soup. But taste is very awesome. Plus the quantity you see.
So
it's
first I will try. What if this time it will not be very awesome?
definitely. And then we have ordered along with the momos is honey chili potatoes.
Looks so appetizing and yummy. It feels like already to dig in and eat them.
Yeah, and we have ordered veg spring rolls.
Yeah, because I haven't eaten them for centuries. So let's start our food.
Let's start.
I'm going to try my momos because I love them so much. So let's see whether they're that much tasty like previous times. See, they're so giant. And dig in chutney.
But amazing.
They're really good. See? Like completely filled. Oh wow. Though the chutney is little bit too spicy. And now you can also try it with the soup. You see, you can put little bit soup inside. Friends, these momos are really worth to try, especially if you live in Delhi. Come out one time in the evening, plan it out, and try these momos. They're really yummy. And one more thing which I like, which I really love, I can say, these are spring rolls, but I haven't eaten them for centuries. So, what about spring rolls in here? I have not eaten them ever in this place, so today I'm trying for the first time. They are also filled so well, see, and they're so crunchy by touch. Let me also try them with the same chutney. They're so juicy. Wow. Sometimes you eat spring rolls and you feel there is only dough, but these are so lovely. Very thin coating of the dough and so much filling, which is juicy and like, you know, you feel so tasty flavor in your mouth. It's bursting in your mouth. Wow, I really love it. And I guess my darling will try his chili potatoes because he loves chili potatoes so much. So he'll tell how does it taste.
So मैं ये बताना चाहूँगा दोस्तों, मैं आलू का बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ. मुझे आलू बहुत पसंद है.
My also favorite.
चाहे बेक्ड हो, फ्राइड हो या कैसे भी वैरायटी का आलू. So my favorite is honey chili potato. Let's try.
Dig in, dig in.
Oh.
Fast, fast. They're so tasty. Mouth watering.
Wow. It's very crispy. थोड़ा spicy है, but it has this seed and very good coating, and plus honey flavor balance out the food very well. Very amazing honey chili potato. Nagaland cafe में whatever I have tried till now, everything is very tasty. Be it momos, be it noodles, be it the spring rolls, honey chili potato, everything is very awesome. So I will definitely advise this place.
So, приятного аппетита. Have a nice meal. Bon appetit.
Thank you. Finally, bhai, I finished the food.
So, how's my favorite momos?
Momos are awesome.
So friends, if you're planning to try northeastern cuisine, then do not waste your time in search of the best place. Come directly here. It's in Dilli Haat. It is really awesome, so yummy. Oh, I love this place and I love this food. It's so
Yummy.
tasty. Yes, yummy.
So finally, dosto, now you know where we live, India or Russia. Definitely in India. And why we are staying in India now you also know.
But friends, these are only our personal, only our subjective opinion. If you'll ask 10 people why they live here, not in somewhere else, they will tell you their own reasons, they tell you their own points. So it was only our personal things, only our personal choices. So and it's up to you when you're making your decision where to move, where to stay, here or there. So you can consider as some thoughts for yourself, but otherwise it's only what we think, only what is suitable for us, because for you maybe these points are not suitable, so you will think of your own. But this is what we live and how we live, and really I'm happy here. I'm happy to stay in India for now,
Yep.
and it can change after whatever years, but for now, yeah, we are happy.
Yeah, we are happy in India. India is a great country.
That's true.
And if you like our today's vlog, don't forget to press the like button,
and
subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to put the bell notification.
yes, friends, sometimes you're subscribing, and then whenever our new video is coming, you do not get the information that it is out. So you must press the bell icon, ding dong, ding dong. After that, only you will get notification that our new video came. So do not miss it. Press the bell icon and definitely subscribe to our channel.
And share with your friends.
Of course. So see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.